Muslim women are not allowed to pray when they're on their period. But the truth is, it's not because we are considered dirty or unworthy. It's because we are respected in Islam. Women are exempt from praying and fasting while menstruating, and this is not a punishment, and it's definitely not because our bodies are impure. It's because God in His wisdom acknowledges what we go through. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "This is something Allah has decreed for the daughters of Adam." He didn't say it's a sickness. He didn't call it a flaw or a curse. He said it's a decree, meaning it's part of how we were created. And rather than demanding that we push through the pain or pretend our bodies are non-bleeding, Islam gives us permission to rest. We are excused, not excluded. Not because our worship matters less, but because our suffering is recognized. Our physical burden is acknowledged with spiritual ease. This isn't a reduction in reward, it's a reminder that even when we step back from rituals, we're still seen and still valued and still deeply connected to God.